Good morning friends, good morning viewers. In this video, this is a part 2 video of the tables. In this video I am going to explain you how to repeat row. Repeating the row, the main in the table, the heading row will be repeated for the next table. For example, if the table is very lengthy, more than one page, it goes to second page. The table heading should not be copied to the second page. Just select the table heading and you give the command repeat row. I will explain you practically by selecting the word file. In that I will explain you. If your table goes more than one page, use repeat row. Table caption should be upon the table. See, this is the table. The table caption should be like this: table number, and you give one dot or colon, so that it is this heading is different and this is different. If you don't give full stop or colons, one can read like this: table one repeat row. If the person can read one repeat row. So to differentiate the table number with the title, you have to give full stop or a colon. This is a table. If it comes to the figure, if the figure caption is below the figure. For the table, it is above the table. The table caption, for example, 1.2 the caption, 1.2 caption, like this. In this project report, the table number is 2 digits, because the first number is the chapter number or a heading number. The second is the table number, means this first chapter second table. 1.2 means first chapter second table. For publication, the table numbers will be only single digit. You have to remember this thing. Bold the heading, bold the table heading. If for the first row it is having some headings, you have to bold that one. Practically I will explain you by taking one new word file. I am inserting some rows and columns, or I am inserting 10 by 2, 10 by 6 rows and columns. This is rows. And by mistake, if you have inserted anything, any tables, and you want to write upon the table anything, you don't delete the table. Just right click here and cut it, and you press the enter key, and again you control V, paste it. See, now it is coming. For example, table. I have opened one Ph.D. This one Ph.D. thesis. From this I will take the captions. See, this is caption. For example, this is a caption. I am taking to the word file to reduce the time. See, this is a caption. So table 3.16 means third chapter 16th table. This is third chapter 16th table. So I am using some data from the same table. For example, this is data. This is the heading I am using. Copy, paste. Okay. Same thing for explanation. I am using the same information again and again. I am copying it. See, this is my heading. So I am giving the line spacing 0 and 0. I don't want to give any line spacing. See, if I want to make it a center, just select it, layout, and press enter key. Again it is not coming. See, means it is some space is there. Where is the space? Means you select everything. See, this hash color is the extra space. This hash colors, you remove this one, backspace. You say go and click here, backspace. Again you select it, everything is okay, but here extra hash is coming. Then you make it back. You reduce the font size if you want. If you want to make it, reduce the font size, so that it will be in the same line. So this is our heading. So I am making to differentiate from the regular information. See, the regular information means, for example, I am giving 10, 20, some data. You use format pointer. So I am unbolding. This is general text. Within the text, this is the text. To differentiate from this, we have given the bold, and also you can give the color to that one. I am giving some ash color, like this is a beautiful. Now you can right click, you can give the content, or you can fit it to the window. What I mean to say is, in this video, repeat row, where is the repeat row I am explaining? See, this is one file. Okay, I am giving in between space. I am giving space means before and after I am applying. Before 6, after 6. And don't give the line spacing. See, this is before and after. Okay, then you press tab key, or you directly press the tab key, so that it will insert automatically number of rows. Okay, till it goes to the next page, you press the your tab key. See, it came to C. Now it came to the second page. Okay, what I mean to say is, what is the repeat row? Then you select the row and come to layout. See, here is the repeat row header. If you click this one, automatically for the second page it will keep the heading. Okay, this is the repeat row. If you have copied the last line, okay, you have given the last line some data. If you press enter key, see, if you have inserted like this, you are giving one more, you are inserted one more row, then also the heading will not move from this place. This is the repeat row. This is very useful when you are doing a lengthy tables. Okay, this is very much useful. Recently only I came to know that this is the repeat row. One of the research scholar from genetics, he came to me, and when we are doing the project PhD formatting, he explained to me. His name is, I think, Kaja. He is a Muslim boy. It is very important to have a repeat row for our tables. Okay, same thing I've explained here. Okay, thank you very much. In the next video I will explain you the next one. Thank you very much.